the North Atlantic Ocean. A vast and mysterious body of water that has fascinated humans for centuries. A vast expanse of blue stretching beyond the horizon, it covers an area of over 41 million square miles. Stretching for thousands of miles, it is a crucial component of the Earth's hydrosphere. It is a powerful force shaping our planet's weather and climate. From calm, serene waters to raging storms, the North Atlantic is ever-changing. This ocean is a vital artery for global trade, connecting continents and cultures. Every day, thousands of ships traverse its waters, carrying goods and resources. Its depths teem with a rich tapestry of life, from microscopic plankton to giant whales. The biodiversity here is astounding, with countless species yet to be discovered. Join us as we journey into the heart of the North Atlantic, exploring its wonders and its challenges. We will uncover the secrets hidden beneath its waves. The North Atlantic plays a crucial role in our planet's systems. Its currents are like the veins of the Earth, circulating water and heat. Its currents carry warm water from the tropics to higher latitudes, influencing weather patterns across the globe. This movement of water is essential for regulating the climate. This ocean is a source of food and resources, supporting fisheries that sustain millions of people. The livelihoods of many communities depend on its bounty. But the North Atlantic is also facing threats from climate change to pollution. The impact of human activity is evident, and the need for conservation is urgent. Understanding this ocean is vital for protecting its future and our own. Through research and conservation efforts, we can ensure that the North Atlantic remains a thriving ecosystem for generations to come. The North Atlantic Ocean spans a vast area of the Northern Hemisphere. It stretches from the icy Arctic Ocean in the north to the warmer waters of the equator in the south. To the west lies North America, its coastline sculpted by the ocean's relentless waves. To the east, the shores of Europe and Africa feel the North Atlantic's influence. The ocean's boundaries are not just lines on a map. They are defined by currents, temperatures, and the very shape of the ocean floor. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge, a vast underwater mountain range, bisects the ocean, a testament to the Earth's tectonic forces. This ridge is a zone of intense geological activity, where new ocean floor is constantly being created. Beneath the surface of the North Atlantic lies a hidden world, as diverse and dramatic as any landscape on land. The ocean floor is a tapestry of canyons, plains, and towering mountains. Volcanoes, both active and extinct, punctuate the seabed, remnants of the Earth's fiery heart. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is a defining feature of this underwater world. This massive chain of mountains stretches for thousands of miles, a testament to the slow but powerful forces that shape our planet. Along the ridge, hydrothermal vents spew superheated water rich in minerals, creating unique ecosystems that thrive in the darkness. The North Atlantic is a restless giant, its surface constantly in motion. Winds whip across the water, generating waves that crash against distant shores. Beneath the surface, powerful currents circulate, carrying warm and cold water across vast distances. These currents are the ocean's lifeblood, influencing weather patterns and marine ecosystems alike. The Gulf Stream, a warm and swift current, flows northward along the eastern coast of North America before turning towards Europe. This current acts like a giant radiator, carrying heat from the tropics to higher latitudes. The Gulf Stream's influence is profound, moderating the climate of Western Europe and making it much warmer than regions at similar latitudes. Section 5. The Gulf Stream, a conveyor belt of warmth. The Gulf Stream is one of the most powerful currents on Earth. Originating in the Gulf of Mexico, it carries warm, tropical water northward like a giant conveyor belt. As the Gulf Stream flows along the eastern coast of North America, it releases heat into the atmosphere. This heat is then carried by prevailing winds across the Atlantic, reaching the shores of Western Europe. The Gulf Stream's influence is particularly noticeable in countries like the United Kingdom and Ireland, where winters are much milder than their latitude would suggest. Without the Gulf Stream, these regions would experience much colder temperatures, similar to those found in parts of Canada. Section 6. Life teeming below, an ocean of diversity. The North Atlantic Ocean teems with life, from the sunlit surface waters to the dark abyssal depths. Microscopic plankton, the base of the marine food web, drift in vast numbers, providing sustenance for a myriad of creatures. Schools of fish, from shimmering herring to mighty tuna, patrol the open ocean, while marine mammals such as whales and dolphins migrate across vast distances. The ocean floor is no less diverse. Coral reefs, though not as widespread as in tropical regions, provide habitats for a dazzling array of fish and invertebrates. Hydrothermal vents spewing hot, mineral-rich water from the Earth's interior support unique ecosystems that thrive in the absence of sunlight. These vents are home to strange and wonderful creatures such as giant tube worms and blind shrimp adapted to life in this extreme environment. The North Atlantic is a mosaic of ecosystems, each playing a crucial role in the ocean's health. From the bustling coral reefs to the mysterious deep-sea vents, every layer of this ocean is teeming with life. The surface waters, bathed in sunlight, are a playground for countless species, while the deeper regions, shrouded in darkness, harbor creatures that have adapted to extreme conditions. The ocean's currents act as highways, transporting nutrients and organisms across vast distances, ensuring the continuity of life. Marine mammals, like the majestic whales, undertake epic migrations, navigating these waters with an innate sense of direction. Meanwhile, the ocean floor, with its intricate landscapes, is a testament to nature's resilience and adaptability. Here, life thrives in the most unexpected places, showcasing the incredible diversity and wonder of the North Atlantic Ocean. Section 7. Fishing and Trade. The North Atlantic's Bounty. The North Atlantic has long been a source of food and resources for human populations. For centuries, fishing communities have relied on the ocean's bounty, hauling in cod, haddock, herring, and other species that form the basis of their livelihoods. The Grand Banks off the coast of Newfoundland were once one of the richest fishing grounds in the world, teeming with cod. However, overfishing has taken a toll on fish stocks, highlighting the need for sustainable fishing practices to ensure the long-term health of these populations. The North Atlantic is also a vital shipping route, connecting North America and Europe. Cargo ships laden with goods from around the world ply these waters, facilitating global trade and commerce. Section 8. Shipping routes. Navigating a crucial ocean. The North Atlantic Ocean is crisscrossed by some of the world's busiest shipping lanes. These maritime highways connect major ports in North America, Europe, and beyond, facilitating the flow of goods and people across the globe. The Panama Canal, while not directly in the North Atlantic, plays a crucial role in connecting this ocean to the Pacific, further enhancing its importance for global trade. The North Atlantic has also been a strategic waterway throughout history. During World War II, the Battle of the Atlantic raged as Allied and German forces fought for control of these vital shipping lanes. Today, the North Atlantic remains strategically important, with NATO naval forces patrolling these waters to ensure security and stability. Section 9. The North Atlantic, a stage for global politics. The North Atlantic Ocean is not just a geographical feature. It is also a stage for global politics and international relations. This vast body of water has been a crucial arena for power dynamics and strategic maneuvers for centuries. From the age of exploration to the Cold War, and now in the 21st century, the North Atlantic continues to be a focal point for international diplomacy and military strategy. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization, or NATO, a military alliance formed in the aftermath of World War II, reflects the strategic importance of this region. Established in 1949, NATO was created to provide collective security against the Soviet Union. Today, it remains a cornerstone of transatlantic security, adapting to new threats such as cyber warfare and terrorism. NATO members, including the United States, Canada, and several European countries, cooperate on defense and security issues, recognizing the shared interests and potential threats in the North Atlantic region. Regular joint military exercises and strategic planning sessions ensure that member nations are prepared to respond to any crisis. These collaborations not only enhance military readiness but also strengthen political ties among member states. The Arctic region, located at the northern reaches of the North Atlantic, is becoming increasingly important in geopolitical calculations. As the ice recedes, nations are eyeing the Arctic for its untapped resources and new maritime routes. The region is also a critical area for scientific research, with countries establishing polar research stations to study climate change and its global impacts. As climate change melts Arctic ice, new shipping routes are opening up, potentially shortening transit times between Asia and Europe. These new routes could revolutionize global trade, making the transportation of goods faster and more efficient. However, they also bring new challenges, including environmental risks and the need for robust international regulations to manage these waters. The Arctic is also believed to hold vast reserves of oil and natural gas, leading to increased interest and competition among nations bordering the Arctic Ocean, including Russia, Canada, the United States and Norway. The race to exploit these resources is intensifying, with significant geopolitical implications. Energy security, environmental protection and indigenous rights are all critical issues that need to be balanced in this complex and evolving landscape. The North Atlantic, therefore, remains a region of immense geopolitical significance where economic interests, environmental concerns and national security converge. It is a dynamic and multifaceted arena where the actions of nations can have far-reaching consequences. As we move further into the 21st century, the North Atlantic will undoubtedly continue to play a pivotal role in shaping global politics and international relations.